Hello everyone. This is Manish Kumar Hazare from CMPT 641 Section 23. So I welcome you all for this brief presentation. Today we will be discussing on the technological trend that has been followed in developing business. So we have seen that technology has grown to a very faster extent in these eras. So this is 21st century where technology is taking over everything and business is not aloof of this change. So whatever we see today in this world is happening is due to technology, the faster moving things, starting from the sky till land, everything is taking place due to technologies, and it has positively impacted the society, the lifestyle, the whole environment has been changed. So business has also grown because of technology. Uh, Business has also grown to a greater extent. So we will be seeing different ICT trends that business has been adapted, and then how business has been benefited with these kind of trends and how it has grown to a greater extent. So without any further delay, I shall share my screen. So discussing about technological trends in business. So we will be discussing how technology has affected business, how it has developed business to a greater extent. So today's agenda is as follows. So today we will be seeing four different natures of company. One is large company, one is medium, small, and startup. For large, we have Google. For medium, we have Instacart. For small, we have Byju's, and for startup, we have Blipa. So Blipa is an health-related company. We will discuss when we come to it. So we have discussed five trends for all of these individual companies. So here are they. For Google, we have the first trend called low code technology. Second, we have Internet of Behavior. Third, we have computer vision. And fourth, we will be discussing about Google Cloud Platform. And fifth is neural machine translation. For medium-sized company, we have taken Instacart. And the first trend we would be discussing is machine learning. Second is robotic process automation. The third trend would be blockchain. Fourth would be Internet of Behavior. For small company, we have taken a Indian education technology based company that is called Byju's, which is very famous for education amongst all of the Indian things. It's a multinational company. So for the first trend, we have taken smart contract. For second trend, we would be analyzing consumer data platform. Third is Amazon Web Services. And fourth is data warehousing. And fifth is machine learning. For startup, we have taken the company called Blipa. As I said, it is an health related company. So it's a very interesting one. We will discuss when we come to it. So the first trend we are going to analyze is digital health. Second is digital twin. Third is cloud computing. Fourth is cybersecurity. And fifth is computer vision. So let us start analyzing deeply each aspect of the company. So the first company we would be discussing is Google. So as we all know, Google is very popular. It's an American multinational technology-based company, and which is very well known for its search engine. The company operates in the field of search engine, cloud computing, computer service, e-commerce, and many other fields. And it is also considered as most powerful company in this world and is considered for a greater value for its functionality in the fields of technological advancement, mainly the artificial intelligence. So Google also provides different kinds of products and services like the Chrome, the Gmail, the Google Maps, the YouTube, and many other such services. So we all know that Google is, predominantly a technology based company. So for that, we will be having five trends, of which the first is low code technology. So this is a very interesting concept. Low code technology is one of the platform that helps any business people to create their own app so that they can smoothly run their activities. So here you don't have to have any technical background or any coding in related knowledge beforehand. So everything is predetermined. You just have to go and create an app on this platform. So Google App Maker is one such technology where G Suite account holders can create their own app as simple as that of a worksheet. One main advantage of this technology is that even a person who is not fully conversant with coding and creating an app can create with just a few steps. So it's as simple as that. So this is a unique offering by Google. So now any company running G Suite uh, account can build apps under their name, and no part of the app is reliant on third party software, meaning it's more stable and likely less costly. So, having thus discussed the advantages of this, there are also certain risks related to low code technology. One such being is there will be a lack of customization because everything would be predetermined. You just have to create your own app based on predetermined algorithms and coding. So, there wouldn't be any customization as you require. So, you have to compromise on your customization. Second one is your privacy security. There could be some issue while creating these predetermined codes for app. Somebody might have built a backdoor, so he might use all your data, and there would be a chances of leaking of the information. The second trend we would be analyzing is Internet of Behavior. So, Internet of Behavior is one such interesting topic in these ICT trends. So, as we know, for any business to grow successfully, it has to be personalized. People should feel a personal connection with that company. So, you need to make personal suggestions to them. So, Internet of Behavior uses algorithms that tracks consumers' purchasing, thinking, and behavioral traits, and recommends similar content that the user might like or that user might purchase in future time. So often we see Google, Facebook, YouTube recommending the content that we have browsed earlier and which we have liked earlier. So such kind of content is being repetitively suggested to us. So this is because of Internet of Behavior, the technology. So this helps to create a personalized experience for the consumers, and that will lead to satisfaction and more involvement of the consumer. So even there would be a lot of advantages. The main disadvantage is that, so for this you need to expose a lot of personal information to the company. So to make suggestions based on your personal liking, so you need to expose your own personal information to the company, which may lead to privacy issues, and such kind of information can be accessed by hackers or other third parties and could be a great threat for our privacy. The third technological trend we would be discussing with regards to Google is computer vision. So this is which might be very much interesting for us. So computer vision is a mechanism where computer system makes a sense of digital image or video with a high level of confidence. We have seen in Google, we take a pic and upload it. So it gives all kind of information, what the product is, who is the manufacturer, and everything about related to the image. So this is just because of the computer vision. So through this mechanism, Google Image serves its servers to provide an accurate information of the image that the user has provided to the system. So one can fetch out all the related information of the image, like the name, category, or manufacturing brand, or what related to it is. So other things of the image. So this makes it easy for the users to just click and gather all the required information necessary for his and her knowledge. So the main drawback of this system is many a times the image uploaded, the computer may not give an accurate answer. So we might doubt the accuracy of the result, and as well as many a times it could be misleading. So you upload a photo, but that could be a different kind of result altogether. Moving forward, the fifth, uh, the fourth trend in this would be Google Cloud platform. So Cloud Platform is a service offered by Google that helps in cloud computing for its users. Many companies offer this for developing apps, storage, and data analytics. The service range varies from computing, storage, data analytics, big data, and management. So this is a very good technology which helps people grow in that business. So, having thus spoken, the disadvantage is the security, cyber security, where whatever information has been uploaded, there are greater chances that it could be leaked and misused. The fifth trend we are analyzing for Google is neural machine translation. So, in order to forecast the possibility of a group of words, neural machine translation employs an artificial neural network, generally modeling full sentences in a single integrated model. So we have often seen people using Google Translate to translate their language. So, Google Translation is composed of this technology where one language is translated into multi languages, released as statistical machine translation. Google Translation helps to translate documents, words, and speech in many different languages. So it is free of cost for all the users who browse it on web. The main problem with this is many times it may not be accurate. Whatever the translation is, may be out of context. The second company we would be discussing here is Instacart. Instacart is an American-based company which acts as a platform uh, for for the buyers to come and buy from their retail shoppers who are on the mart, and can they deliver the grocery products to them within 13 minutes. So the company has its own website and a mobile application where the customers can buy products from their participant sellers. A personal shopper will be assigned for shopping on behalf of the customer. So the first trend we are analyzing for this is machine learning. So machine learning is one of the component of artificial intelligence which uses the data algorithm to imitate human behavior. So exercising this technology through their app, customers can shop online and get their order at their doorstep within 13 minutes. Shoppers then can shop items on behalf of consumers and then deliver it to the customers within a given period of time. So this is a very convenient for customers where they can just place an order and a shopper would be assigned shop on behalf of them. Main problem here is many times it would be a fraud order. Many times the customer might order something and it may not be a good order, it may be a fake order. The second would be many times the algorithm takes time to process and the order may not be reflected immediately and hence can cross the expected time. The second technology here we would be analyzing is robotic process automation. So, in simple words, RPA is a software technology which build, operate, and manage software robots that imitate and eliminate human intervention in the process. So we have seen chatbots where we chat with some person, but the person is really a robot. So Instacart uses this technology to create and develop chatbots where software robots interact with customers and answer their queries. Customer can chat and ask relevant questions they have and will have sorry, will receive an appropriate solution that are pre-designed by the robots. This reduces the human intervention and is helps in cost reduction. So the main drawback here is because there is no human involved, the robots have very limited uh, scope of knowledge, so they cannot answer beyond certain questions. And because there is no human intervention and interaction, there would be less emotional conversation or transaction taking place. The second and the third trend who we would be analyzing is blockchain. Blockchain is ongoing digital ledger of who owns what. A blockchain containing transaction related data, including time, date, dollar amount, and participant, is encrypted and connected to the blockchain build blocks to build a chain. So here we perform one activity, so it gives result to performing other activity. So one activity is connected to the other activity. With blockchain, Instacart can accept the order of a person who meets the criteria like meeting the payment condition. So once you make some payment, your other next process takes place. So it continues like that. Only when payment is made can the goods be delivered to the consumer. This will ensure eliminate the fake orders and save on money. So this is a very good for though to avoid fake transactions or fake orders. But the real problem is many a times when the transactions has been done to reflect it, the algorithms may take long time and the transaction may not be reflected within time, and it may take further delays, which may result in delivering the customer item very late. The next trend we would be analyzing here is Internet of Behavior. Internet of Behavior, as we said, uses the algorithm that tracks the human purchasing, thinking, behavioral traits, and recommends similar content that consumer might like. So through this mechanism, the company can predict and suggest or recommend items that the consumer purchased frequently or he has purchases earlier. This will keep the consumer interest intact and personalized. The rate of consumer retention will be much higher, and there would be a personalized experience. Again, there would be a drawback of losing lots of personal information to the company, and the same information can be used for threats, privacy threats. Sometimes it may lead to money laundering and other things also as well. So the third company, which is a small company, we are going to analyze here is a Byju's. So Byju's is one of the most leading tech educational app in India. So Byju's is a multinational company that works in educational technology field. It was founded by Ravindra Baiju and Divya Gopalnath in 2021. It specializes in creating an app that would help students to self-tutor themselves and prepare for their academics. The app provides the academic syllabus in animatic way so that students can grasp the subject easily. So Byju's use the first time we would be analyzing here is smart contract. So smart contract is one of the feature run on blockchain. The system or technology allows person to execute next task when predetermined actions are completed. So smart contract work as following simple: if, when, and then. So statements are written into code on blockchain. A network of computer executes the action when predetermined conditions have been met and verified. The educational app Byju's uses this algorithm to create access to new level of videos and materials. When student meets certain kind of criteria or understanding, the next level will be opening for him. So this will ensure that the student has already cleared the first test or criteria to go forward to the next criteria. The main problem here would be, so you cannot access the further videos or further content unless you have finished the prior one. So this would result in complete this would result in not accessing the further information, or sometimes the student may get stuck in one topic as well. The next technology we would be discussing here is customer data platform. The customer data platform builds a complete picture of a customer on an individual level. So it collects first party customer data from and links that information to customer that created it. So here Byju's will create using the data that customer has given or a student has given to create his whole identity and personalized picture. So it would suggest him what kind of courses he should take further, or what kind of exams, or what kind of materials he should read. So this would create a personalized educational environment for the student, and would help in better development of his academic grades. So here, one thing we would be facing problem is again giving up too much of information and linking all the activities of what we do to the company, which should potentially threat the privacy of the individual. One of the most important technology used by Byju's is Amazon Web Service. So Byju's uses Amazon Web Service as their cloud platform for operating its websites and running their mobile application, because mobile applications are main sources for Byju's to run their business in India. Amazon Web Service is a subsidiary that Amazon provides on demand for cloud computing for their customers and business. Through this very technology, the company has successfully able to serve more than 15 billion users. So the company uses Amazon Rational Data Service to store and maintain the database. So the next trend we would be analyzing here is data warehouse. So data warehouse is a component of business intelligence where big data are reported and stored as to analyze and make qualitative decisions. So here data is integrated from multiple sources and is processed through operational units as to clean the data and obtain the end results. So Byju's through this mechanism maintains the data of the students and creates a personal portfolio of each student. So this helps in creating content that is relevant to the students' academic growth. But the main challenge here is when collecting the data of the student, there would be different sources from where we have been collecting the data. And those data may not be very much relevant, and the results which we produce may not be very much accurate, and it would be a difficult task to suggest what appropriately suits the student. So the fifth is machine learning. Machine learning is a technology that leverages the computer system through AI, imitate the human learning. So recently, Byju's has introduced Amazon Alexa, which we all know what it is used for, to assist the students to voice command and fetch the relevant information. So students can fetch information of related topics by just giving a voice command. So additional information along with the videos can be obtained with the technology without human tutors. So the main thing here would be there would be no personal tutor who would understand the human development, the child's development. So the child can voice command whatever he likes, but may not be necessary a good tool for his own development. So there wouldn't be any kind of personal tutor who is having a look on the child's development. The last company we are going to discuss is Blipa. Blipa is a very interesting company which works in health domain. So it is based in UK, and it is based on an app where clinicians may securely access and discuss images and patient cases using this user-friendly digital medical imagining communication platform at the touch of the bottom. So here it's just conversing with images between clinicians. The first thing we would be discussing is digital health. The company operates an app where clinicians can share and access information and surgical images of their patients. This would help the doctors to access the complete tests taken by the patient and provide them the wholesome remedy and the solution. The aim to provide required treatment and solution from a remote place without having visiting the doctor in person. So this reduces in-person visit to the doctor. The main disadvantage here is many a times these personal informations, health related information of patient can be hacked easily and can be accessed anywhere. And many times clinicians may take uh, misadvantage of using this kind of information. Doctors may also misuse such kind of information. Digital twin at another feature of modern technology, where we have a virtual replica of physical object. So Blipa can use this technology to create a digital twin and then exercise all their operations on that digital twin to see that whether that operation is successful or not. The main disadvantage here would be creating a digital twin will not always work properly as it works on human beings. Third is cloud computing. So Blipa is very much particular not to store anything on the hardware or the computer. So everything is stored on cloud. So here through this technology, every data of the customer is database of the customer is stored in cloud. So the maintenance becomes very much easy. Main risk involving sometimes the database can be leaked and it's a serious threat to the patient's personal life threat as all the health related data is being stored here. The uh, the next is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a mechanism which protects computing system from potential threats of getting lost, leaked, or stolen of the data and stored information. As we know that Blipa is already into storing all its information in cloud, and it's working in health domain where certain aspects of patient has been stored. So cybersecurity plays an important role here. But the main problem is when such kind of information is being stored, personal information has been stored, there is a serious threat that this could be accessed very easily by hackers. Computer vision is one of the modern technology where computer system makes sense of digital image and vibes. So this technology will help BIPA organization to make proper accurate judgment the case based on the digital results of customer like X-ray. So one advantage will be that one can easily gather information through pictures without having to diagnose the person. So although this has a like very huge advantage, but the main disadvantage would be many a times the pictures may not seriously depict what the person is going through or is diagnosed properly, and pictures may lead to a different results. Having thus spoken, these are the references from where we have got the information, and here is the link you can access for this. So although the technology has taken a very good part on the business has been able to grow substantially and potentially because of technology. There would be some threats, but having taken care of that threat, we would be able to succeed in the business. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.